Welcome to the Staple AI community. Learn how to unlock the hidden insights in complex tables. I'm Ben Stein, CEO of Staple AI. Let's see how to set up intelligent tables, step by step. In the enterprise world, most data extraction systems can only handle neatly formatted rows and columns. But what about irregular, hierarchical, multilingual, or merged tables with dense line items? You still end up entering that data manually. To solve this, we launched Intelligent Tables. It handles any type of table in any document across any industry, from POs in retail to hospital bills and insurance to machine parts inventories and manufacturing. Let's see how it is done. It's a three-step process. We create models, map them to a queue, and scan documents to create a model. Navigate to the models module here, click on the new module, and give it a name. Under Preferences, choose Complex Tables and click on Submit. Now let us upload a file and create a model. The document is uploaded. Let us first create a header field. Now let us go to complex tables. The moment I click on the complex table, you can see the table here. Let me move the table as required. Let me give a name first, then choose the title on the document. We need 3 headers here. Let me quickly create those headers. Please enter these details shortly and briefly with the appropriate information because this helps capture the data. Once we have created the headers, let's quickly smart fill the table. It will automatically analyze and capture this data and convert it into a table. Here we can see the data being captured correctly: model, serial number, equipment type, model, serial number. It can also be edited as required. So once it is captured, click on the tick mark and click on Complete to save the model. Once the model is created, we need to quickly go and map it to the queue. In Custom Model, choose the model that we created and submit. Now let us upload the document and then check the scanning effectiveness. Let us check the effectiveness of the data captured. When you land here, you will find the complex table option. Click on it and select the table we've created. You can see the data captured perfectly under the table headers, model, equipment type, and serial number. Likewise, Staple can handle nested and hierarchical, dense line item, and multilingual tables.